What's the meaning of cornerstone? Cornerstone. Cornerstone.
Cornerstone. Cornerstone. The term cornerstone refers to the fundamental and essential component or element upon which something is built, established, and depends. It represents the basic foundation of a particular system, organization, or idea, without which it cannot function. A cornerstone is usually laid at the start of a project or an initiative and serves as a guide or reference point for future development. Hence, a cornerstone plays a crucial role in shaping the identity, purpose, and direction of any endeavor. Overall, a cornerstone sets the stage for success and provides a strong base for continued growth and evolution.